Okay, I've been waiting for a sunny day to try to put some stripes in the lawn, and we finally got one. It's been raining all week, but the sun came out today, so let's see if we can put some stripes in the lawn. So as you can see, it does a pretty decent job putting stripes in the lawn. It really does depend on how the sun hits it. Or everyone else is mowing their lawn too, so I'm gonna overdub this.
So the stripes are starting to show right here, but to really make them pop, you're going to want to continue to mow in the same direction for a couple weeks. I decided to come back out the next day and mow it again. And so here I am just going over the stripes. The more you go over it, especially with the manual mower like this, because it doesn't have a whole lot of weight in the roller, unlike a greens mower that probably weighs about 500 pounds. This little Fiskars that you're able to push is pretty lightweight.
As you can see, the striper works. I'd recommend mowing the same direction for at least a couple weeks. You want to train the grass to lay down in one direction, and then after a couple weeks you can switch and mow in a different direction. That way you can get some nice stripes. So I mowed this in the same direction 2 days in a row, and as you can see, you get some pretty nice stripes.